So, what are you really inhaling? If you vape, that's your call, but you should know what you're actually signing up for. Nobody actually knows what's in your vape. Those berries, mints, mangoes, all fake. It's just chemical flavor pretending to be fruit. Crack a vape open and it's not cute. It's a cheap battery, a hot metal coil, plastic, glue, a sponge, and a puddle of mystery liquid. Then you heat that all up, burn it, and inhale it into your lungs. What does that actually turn into at 300 degrees? We don't really know. Because every vape is different, but we do know what people are already getting. Breathlessness, chest pain, anxiety, damaged lungs. One butter vanilla vape in Aotearoa literally got recalled for having way too much of a chemical that causes popcorn lung. That's a disease that scars your lungs shut. And the scariest bit, this whole thing is still new, so we won't know the full damage until years from now. You're not vaping fruit. You're vaping a live science experiment, and you're the guinea pig. Now, let's be honest, who's behind it? This is not some wholesome Kiwi startup, it's big tobacco, the same companies that lied about cigarettes for decades. When smoking dropped, they didn't quit. They changed up their strategy. They made nicotine hit harder, they made the inhale smoother, they slapped on some LEDs and they made it taste like a rainbow unicorn. Then they opened shops exactly where young people walk every day. Low income rohe, right next to kura, hapori, with the least political power. That's why a place like Nainai has 5 vape shops and somewhere like Oriental Bay has none. Here's a fact, 9 out of 10 vape stores in Aotearoa are minutes from a school, and the group vaping the most, young Māori girls. And no shade on our girlies if you vape. You didn't invent the system. But big tobacco didn't build this to help you chill. They built it to keep you hooked. You're not the customer, you are the product. They're not wondering what's going into your lungs. They're wondering, how am I gonna get you to buy another one tomorrow? That's the real flavor.